Hey y'all, I got my brother's Halloween gift finally done. I finally got all the pieces today. And I showed him a picture and he likes it. So yay! This is my version of the Michael Myers Halloween wreath. I hope y'all like it. Showing y'all what I used. Halloween mask. A fake knife. I think it looks cool, grungy. A wreath thing from Dollar Tree. Mesh from Dollar Tree. And I started out with that stuff because I couldn't find my pipe cleaners. But I eventually found them, thank goodness, because that other stuff wasn't easy to work with. I poked a couple of holes. I was trying to go through the ear holes, but I couldn't get it to poke, so I had to use my scissors, poke some holes, so I could put the wire through to attach the mask. I was trying to not use hot glue in case my brother wanted to take it off. Take stuff, off and redo it somehow or something. But I ended up having to use some hot glue. You'll see in a little bit. Got him on there first so I know where I wanted him, and then I could do the mesh all around. I thought that was the best way anyhow. I have no idea how long these pieces of mesh are. I just cut. And I'm doing something I saw in a video. She just cuts it out. Then she folds one end over 3 times, clips it, turns it around, folds the other end 3 times, and then scrunches them together, like walks her fingers together. And that's what I did. And here in a minute, I tried a different way. I thought maybe I can just roll it up tight. That didn't look good, so I did it all that first way. For my very first time doing a wreath like this, it don't turn out half bad. I'm so glad he liked it. I've been wanting to make this forever, and I couldn't find the knife. The mask didn't get here till 3 days ago. So, but anyway, I'm going to take it to him next week. At least he'll have a little while before Halloween for it to be on his door. I think I'm done with Halloween now, y'all. Finally. That's where I found my pipe cleaners. That made it easier. Although, let me tell y'all, how many times I poked my fingers with them pipe cleaners tying this stuff up. And I just left the back like it is because, like I said, I don't know if he'll end up taking this apart and doing something else with it next year or what. Showing y'all I made a little progress there. I didn't want to make you have to watch all of it. And then this is where I was putting the last little one in up there. I think it looks pretty cool. I fluffed it as I went along. There we go. I used pipe cleaners, 2 of them tied together to make the little thing for it to hang from. And then, like I said, I was trying not to use hot glue, so I tied that up with a thing, but it don't look good. And then I realized that the mask ain't hanging too well, so I decided to put some hot glue on him up there at his head. I forgot my craft paper, so I had to go cut a piece of it off and bring it over. And that helped. So after I do that, I figured, well, might as well hot glue the knife too. So I hot glue it in 3 or 4 places. And I do my shake test a couple of times, and it's hanging on good. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching my last Halloween video of the year. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. And thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed. I'm fixing to show y'all a close-up in the video and some pictures. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.